Auto glass is made from pieces of broken and chipped glass that are permanently attached to a car body. It serves as a window and a safety net for the occupants of the car, especially in case of an accident. These pieces of glass are created by car manufacturers and car owners themselves to make their driving experience safe and secure. These pieces of glass are manufactured by some of the best engineers in the country, so it is assured that they are made to the highest standards of excellence. With so many benefits associated with these auto glass, it is only understandable that they are quite popular among drivers today. Among the benefits that are derived from using auto glass is protection from the harsh ultraviolet rays of the sun, which is one of the reasons why many people choose to drive around in their cars during the hot months of the year. This reason alone makes the use of auto glass a wise choice. Another benefit associated with these windows is that it reduces the noise levels that are produced inside the vehicle as well as cuts down on the handling of the vehicle itself. If you have any problems with your auto glass, it is important that you take it to an auto glass repair shop. However, before you go ahead and get it repaired, you should find out all the details regarding the repairing process. You should find out how much the repair cost will be, whether there will be any chance of replacement, what will be the procedures involved, and so on. If you do not have much information about auto glass repair, you can look up the internet. The internet is flooded with websites that deal with almost everything, including auto glass repair, so it should not be difficult to find the information that you need. Given the benefits that you will derive from using this type of glass, it is only natural that many people prefer to get it repaired rather than replace it.